compact mode has many more. The wide mode has around 35 channels that show, whereas the compact mode will display like 80 channels, which will be a lot easier to see all the channels you're mixing in. And it's still